Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 10th of January 2021. So today KLCI got some rebound, but the sentiment is still not very good because some glove rebound, technology big drop. Later we discuss. So check out the introduction first before we start. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay. So let's check out introduction. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out the KLCI first, see how KLCI doing. So KLCI today got a small push up. Okay, so around 2.55 points up in the during lunchtime so okay not bad still holding above this line. Looks like still fine. Okay, the uptrend still looks good. So let's check out the sector. So today market sentiment 44, not very strong. Gainers 382, losers 7479. So more losers than gainers. Wow. Big volume today, 3.82 in the morning. This is very big. So change is 2.55. Looks like market got some big volume coming in today. 1545. Okay, let's check out what are the sector doing. Consumer drop 0.2, industry up 0.4, construction down 0.49. Technology big drop today. Have to be careful. Technology have to be careful. 2.1. Finance 0.56. So technology, right? If you're holding technology stock, right? If you have a stop loss, those technology stock really hit the stop loss one. Let it go first, because looks like quite bad. Big drop. Property down 0.02. Plantation down 0.12. RET down 0.01. Energy drop 0.136. So healthcare today got big rebound 1.58. Telecommunication up 0.13. Transportation down 0.36. Utilities up 0.57. So market generally is not very strong. Okay, there's small rebound on the KLCI, but sentiment is still not very good at 44. Let's check out the top gainers. Okay, we got KSM got some rebound 2.5. Volume quite small. AN credit continue to go up. AN credit at take profit area. You probably want to take profit already. Woodland, this one goring stock. This one I too late to chase. I'm not talking about this one. It's too too dangerous to play. Okay, Hong Leong Bank, we take a look. Hatta, we take a look. TIMWELL. Never played this one before. Hold on. Okay, look like the wood stock. This one, Woodland and TIMWELL is all the wood stock suddenly fly. Okay, PMETAL, want to take a look. CIMB, want to take a look. Kosan, take a look. SCOMNET, take a look. Top glove, other than it's a glove other than glove rebound quite a lot. PCAM, AFFIN, want to take a look. MSM also take a look. So far this one UWC big drop. We want to talk about UWC AFFIN HLBANK PMETAL CIMB MSM Hatta Kosan TIMWELL Woodlan SCOMNET. Okay, take a quick look. UWC. UWC at near stop loss already. It continue to drop tomorrow. Maybe cut loss first. Doesn't look good for this technology UWC. This one cut loss if it continue to drop. AFFIN. Okay, AFFIN breakout already. AFFIN breakout already. So AFFIN can try first target at around 2 ringgit. Second target Hong Leong Bank 2.25. AFFIN Hong Leong Bank also broke out already. So Hong Leong Bank, okay, Hong Leong Bank broke out already at 19. So today continue go up. So Hong Leong Bank also good. Okay, Hong Leong Bank also can try. PMETAL. Look at CIMB first. CIMB. CIMB continue to go out. This one a bit difficult to chase. If you want to chase, maybe still can chase the M Invest 6.2 Maybe put it this way Maybe this one can chase. Put your stop loss here, 5.41. Target M Invest 6.2 or 6.2. Okay, so this one maybe can try chase. The bank is very strong suddenly. Look at PMETAL. Okay, PMETAL, okay, continue go up, continue hold. PMETAL looks like coming to this area, UOB and Kenanga 6.5 or 6.96. Continue to hold. MSM. MSM maybe something like double bottom. This one I think opportunity to run rather than invest. If you want to play, you already hold buy last time, buy high. Maybe this one is a turn for you to run first instead of invest in. I think the downtrend is still intact. Not too keen. Hatta Kosan. Look at SCOMNET first. SCOMNET doing very well. Continue to go up. So Harry hit target 2.0 after the break above here. Let me see. Lower, high. This one can continue to hold. This one can continue to hold. Stop loss probably now we want to put it below 1.9. Okay, if we drop below 1.9, maybe we want to cut loss. Hatta Kosan today got some energy. Also top glove. So Hatta, I say Hatta quite strong. Looking at the chart, Hatta and this Kosan is the strongest among the glove stock. Okay, so Hatta also continue go up. So this one continue to hold. You already buy in. Kosan also continue to hold. You already buy in. Probably still can go up a bit. And top glove also got some rebound. But top glove a bit slower. These two is the strongest one. Kosan and Hatta are the strongest one. Looking at the chart by itself, looking at the chart, they are the stronger one. Today the wood suddenly all rebound. But what's going on? Must be some big news about the wood. Okay, so we got these two wood one. Doesn't suddenly big TIMWELL, big spike. But this one too late to chase already. I would not chase. Already up 20-25%. Too late to chase. Woodland also too late to chase. Already up how many percent from the we were up 60% already. So this one too late to chase already. This one must be some big news coming in. But this one too volatile to chase. It doesn't move, and it move too fast to chase. Okay, so this one I will not chase. Okay, so that's it for today. Stay tuned for the evening video. See you later. Bye bye.